Welcome to another exciting new video. In this video, I'm going to share a AI tool. You will get 50,000 words for free. You don't have to pay a single penny in this AI, and you can generate unlimited blog post using this 50,000 AI writing credits. So let's start. So this AI called TextHubAI.com. Then you will see this website. So to get 50,000 AI writing credits and how you can write using this tool, you need to watch this full tutorial. So let's start. So first of all, if you don't have any account in this AI, then you have to just simply click on Start Writing, this section, and as you can see, I am already signed in. And if you don't have any account, just simply click on sign up, then write down your mail, write down the password, and click on sign up, and you will get the access of this AI dashboard. So as you can see on my profile, I have 50,000 credits AI words for free. If I share my subscription package, here you can see it's totally free. It's 50,000 words per month you will get. So, and this AI has like 21 plus templates. So let's start how you can generate blog post using this AI tool. So first of all, you need to go to the template section. And as you can see, there are many templates, blog contents, email templates, social media videos, website, SEO tools, etc. So we're going to create a blog post, or we are going to generate a blog ideas first. So let's click on blog ideas. Then you can write in many language. As you can see, French, Spanish, Vietnamese, Turkish, Hindi, English. So we're going to write in English. So in the next word, about what is your blog post, write down your topics. So mine is how to start a new YouTube channel. Let's say that's my topic, and let's click on number 3 option, which is advanced option. So we're going to use it at creative level. There is high, medium, low. We're going to select high and choose friend tone. So we're going to use professional tone for my blog article. So number of result, I need maximum result, which is 5, and word length, I don't want to mention this as I need unlimited long form blog post. So then let's create on content, and you have to wait a few minutes, a few seconds to write down the output. As you can see, the AI already start writing mastering art of YouTube. So it's basically generating ideas for you. So lights, camera, it's YouTube 101, how to kickstart your channel with a band. So to start a key, comprehensive guide to launching. So we're going to take these ideas. It's YouTube masterclass, and this is gonna be exciting blog post, I think. Okay, let's the AI finish writing. Then we're going to copy the prompt. So in this meantime, you can literally subscribe my YouTube channel, or you can join my newsletter where I shared niche ideas and ChatGPT prompts every Friday. So you can just check out my description. You will get the newsletter link. So I think it's finished. Yeah, it's finished. Let's mastering maybe lost it, and we find YouTube started masterclass. Let's copy this, and we're going to go to again template, and let's say blog section, blog intro confirmation mail. So we're going to create a blog intro first. So we'll keep the number 3 as blank, and it's a let's say professional. The result we want just okay. So it's let's its title, and let's see what is the quality of the interaction. So ever dreamed of becoming the next YouTube sensation? Are you bursting? Oh, which is really good. I like the introduction. Or you can manually write down here. So buckle up and get ready to dive. Okay. So the introduction is quite a bit long. You can manually adjust that. You can edit that. You can create internal links. You can just change the font. You can bold the text as well. So literally you can just do the work here, all the work here. So let's explore other option of this AI. So these writing tools also have AI chat option. So as you can see, AI chatbot, they have many character or many section. SEO expert, cybersecurity expert chatbot, career consultant chatbot, accountant, MBBS doctor. So let's ask something to our SEO expert. So let's see how to start a blog in 2023. So let's click on it, and maybe we have to wait. Okay, here you go. Okay, so this AI also have prompt library as well. It's showing me blank, so maybe they will add in future. So let's just say how to start blog in 2023, and let's see the output. So our SEO expert chatbot is giving me something which is a basic, I think, choose your niche, research and planning, choose a blogging platform, domain name hosting, which is true, and it's a step-by-step process, and it's quite good. So these AI writing tools need to more update, and they will fix it. It's in beta version, and they're giving 50,000 words for free to try it out, and you can let them your feedback. So you should definitely try this AI too. So, and the other option they have is speech to text, which is really good. I think you can upload your file. You can just write down your title. You can you will get 20 free uses. So you can literally convert a podcast, a YouTube video, a audio file to a fully blog post. So I'm going to share in my next video as well how you can do that using this AI. So they have also other option, which is generated image, and they integrated stable diffusion. So let's write a prompt. Let's try it out. Hey boy, playing video games. So let's try this one. So you will get 10 free credit to use to generate images. So it's not good, I think. So I just write a basic prompt about playing video games. So you need to write a detailed prompt to get better results. And they have other options like generate code. You can generate code as well. They have text to speech, which is really good if you are creating YouTube videos using AI. If you are working on YouTube automation, then you can try this AI as well. So let's copy something. All right. This is Rahat. So let's click on generate. Okay, paste this one. They have also advanced option from where you can select the style, the language. You can also select voices from here as well. You can select speed, voices speed. So I'm going to keep it male, medium, break. Let's click on generate speech. Sorry. Okay, let me listen. The voice is pretty good. You can use it on your YouTube videos. So I like this one. And they have also popular template section where you can content. You will get a blog section, writer, content rewriter, blog ideas, product description, article generator. So let's try this one. So let's paste. Okay, let's paste our title and steps to begin a content writer. So let's friendly change to tone, number of results, creative level, and write our content. Let's see the output. So this is a new AI tool, writing tool, so you can give it a try. I will also link below in my description. You can click here. And also if you are looking to find niche ideas, then you can watch our other videos. And let's see the output now. In this digital age where social media platform becoming increasingly popular, so it's quite good, I think. Let's try AI detector. Content at scale AI. So I personally use content at scale AI detector. It's pretty good. And you can also try paid tools like Originality AI. So it's free. I will try with this AI. So let's finish the article. So it's there is writing quite bit long article. Let's see the word count. It's 638 word long article. Now let's check AI. So I think it will not pass the AI detector. Let's wait. Okay, as we expected, it not passed the AI detector. So you have to risk it up, so you can try at your own risks. And in my opinion, if you say AI content is not bad until it's fulfilled the intent, the keyword intent, the research intent. Okay, so Google also support AI content, and they also write down information blog about AI writing. So you can also find that article and read that article. So this is the whole process of using this AI, and it's a new AI. So this AI needs to be more upgrade, more work to improve their work. So if you want to sign up, then if you want to try this AI, then you can sign up using my links in the description. And if you want to check out other AI tools, then you can check out my YouTube channel as well. I have other AI related and blogging related videos. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.